Today's Brokers Open is another Compass listing. The address is 3769 Franklin Avenue, Los Angeles, California 90027. We are in Franklin Hills, Los Feliz. So this home has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms with 3,125 square feet of living space. The lot size is 9,251 square feet. It was built in 1930. It's a Spanish style home. So if you're thinking about moving to Los Feliz, Franklin Hills areas, this home has some amazing views of the Griffith Park Observatory. It does need a little TLC, as you can see here. It's lived in and it's ready for your interior design. It does have an unfinished attic, which we will see in just a moment, but it does have a lot of space, so there's a lot of potential to just keep it as is or to add your own flair to the finishes. I like it. It reminds me of just being, at home. It's lived in, it has charm, it has a lot of flair to it with the Spanish revival lighting, and you can see a lot of the furniture here, which I really thought had reflected the style of the home, which was really nice.
The summer days, ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine of the poolside, such a fun time living for the high life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines, keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine of the poolside.
Here's a housing market snapshot and rentals for 90027. Thinking about selling and you need assistance, you can always get in touch with me. My name is Victoria.munoz. Thanks for watching, and I will see you at the next property tour.